Hi, this is Ivan. Today we'll talk about setting up for the iOS automation. So before that, the prerequisite is that you need a Mac machine or any machine that can run OS 10. I strongly recommend you using a Mac machine to avoid future problems. Before you start installing the iOS automation, you'll probably need to set up the Android version, the automation for it. If not, please refer to the previous tutorial. Okay, first you need to install the Xcode. So the Xcode can be found in the App Store. Please install this. It is important. Secondly, please install the Xcode command line tools. Alright, the Xcode command line tools can be found under Preference and Location. If you do not have this package, please install them. Third, you have got to install this driver. This is the most important tool. Alright. For example, you have got to install the basic setup in here. And you may actually probably do it a few times because the first time may not work. So if you actually want to move on to test on the real device, this is where you have got to set up the real device. Alright, you have got to follow this instruction. And it is also important that you have the theme ID to have the signed package for installing the packages on your iDevices. This is crucial. And the other thing that you also need is your Keychain Access. While installing the different packages for the first time, you may be asked whether you want to trust this package or not from Xcode. Please click yes. You will probably need to repeat this several times and also unlock your phone. If you click no, there could be actually a lot of issues later on. Okay. And third, please download the WebDriver agent. Okay, you have got to download this WebDriver agent. Alright, clone it, download it, open in Xcode, build it, push it to your real device or simulator. Right. If it does not work on the real device, make sure that you check on your theme ID and it should work. Just remember, accept yes from the keychain so that you will not have any issue later on. Okay, so if you want to practice on testing different UI using the iOS, so this is where you should actually download. This is the UICatalog. You can go to this site and download it and you can actually run it. This is where the next tutorial will come and we will talk more about this. Okay, so remember one thing is that you probably may need to repeat this step a couple of times, right, to check out whether you have any dependency packages that is missing or need to be updated. And then you need to actually download this and run it, build it in Xcode, push it up to your simulator and push it to your real device. If it does not work, check on your theme ID whether it exists or not, and also whether you actually accept all the authorization requests from Keychain on your phone. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.